Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth not connecting on your Motorola Moto G55. So first, what you guys want to do is toggle Bluetooth off and on. So it's the easy fix that works for a lot of people. So go to the connected devices in the settings. Now go to connection preferences and select Bluetooth. Now here, as you guys can see, for me it's already disabled, so I'll enable it now and I'll disable it. Now let's enable it back again and it should be all good. If not, then what you guys can do is unpair and repair the device in the Bluetooth settings. So whenever you got your device right here, as you guys can see, we have an option to pair a new device. You need to unpair the old one and then repair it again, and that should work. If not, then what you guys can do is restart the phone and make sure that your Bluetooth device is charged up to 100%. So to restart the phone, hold the power button and the volume up button. Now let's click on the restart, and now we need to have our phone unlocked for it, and now our phone is restarting. So that's basically it. Now we're just gonna wait and I'll see you guys once the phone is restarted. So now after the restart, what you guys need to do is go over and for the last step is check for software updates, because they can fix the connectivity bugs and they can fix the Bluetooth not connecting. So go over to settings. Now here, scroll down until you guys see the system updates, and after that let's click just on the check for updates. As you guys can see, everything looks good for me because I'm running the latest version of the software. If you don't, then update it, and that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.